chances. Going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
Hi friends, it's Sheena. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. In today's video, it's going to be a DIY video in one of my primary bathrooms. So about 2.5 years ago, I went in and I was looking for ways to refresh the floors because I do have some really small tiles in that bathroom on the floors, which means 1,000,001 grout lines. So I was looking for ways to refresh the floor and refresh the grout lines. And when I tell you, I've tried everything and nothing could refresh those tiles and the grout line as I would like. That's when I did resort to painting the floors. Yes, I've actually never painted tile floors before. So this was quite an experiment, but I absolutely fell in love with the result. And today it's been 2.5 years now. So I'm going to go in and show you what it's looking like 2.5 years now. And I'm also going to be refreshing the floors. I'm going to show you the supplies that I use, the paint that I've used, and all that good stuff. Upstairs and I'll show you what the floors is looking like and the supplies that I'll be using.
Chances, empty-handed.
So friends, first things first, these are the items that I will be using in today's DIY. So I have this solution here that's called Crud Cutter, and this is very, very good. I've used it to remove a lot of sheens, whether if I'm doing DIY furniture refresh, or for example, the floors that I'll be doing today. And it does such an amazing job of removing any grease and stains on the floor. So I absolutely love that and do recommend using this first. Then these are some of the brushes that I will be using. So I have this little brush right here. So this is the one that I will be using today. So this one right here. And I do have this little brush right here just to get the corners off the floors. And most importantly, I have the paint that I will be using. These are from the brand. They do come as a set. So we have step one, which is the paint. So this is the white paint that I will be using on the floors to do that 2.5 year refresh. And also this is the sealer. So this sealer it's very important. Like you cannot skip this sealer. So now that I've shown you all the items that I will be using, now it's time to head into that bathroom so I can show you what the floors are looking like after 2.5 years. So let's go. So friends, after 2.5 years of being painted with the Rust-Oleum floor paint, this is what the tile floor is looking like. As you can see, I do have 1,000,001 grout lines and these little tiles, which honestly, I would not recommend them if you're doing a renovation on the bathroom. The big tiles will be much better because you have much less grout lines. But anyways, we're going to go in and refresh the tiles and refresh the floors. Rust-Oleum paint. I did have a little carpet right here, and as you can see, there's a little yellow marking there. So hopefully the paint will cover that up. But anyways, let's get started with refreshing these floors.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not.
Okay, friends, apologies, but you currently have a very lovely view of the toilet at the moment. But that's the best I could do with the angle. So let's just pretend that it's not there. But anyways, this is the paint. Absolutely beautiful white paint here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour some in here. This is the exact same tray that I did use 2.5 years ago. So funny, I found it in my garage. But anyways, I'm just going to pour some of the paint out in here. And then this is what I'll be using to paint the floors. And also this little brush to get the angles. So let me just cover this. But first things first, what I want to do. Oh, I love this angle. So the good thing about this angle is that you can see right here where I had the carpet, where it left that yellow mark in there. So we'll see if this paint will cover that. But I do want to go in first and start with the edges here.
Places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like.
So right now I am not using the Painter's Tape because after this is all dry and said and done, I'm going to come in with the Painter's Tape to mark out the area to get a really straight line. And then I'm going to caulk the edges here, which is going to leave a really beautiful finish. Okay, so I think now is a good time to start using the roller. Oh, this is looking so good. I think I might do 2 coats of paint here. The most important thing for me is to get within the grout lines. Oh, this is looking so much better. Oh my goodness.
No guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me.
This is a good angle where you can see what the floors are looking like. You can see the yellow staining from that previous carpet. And as you can see, the paint is covering that area, which is really, really good. So I think I might go in with a second coat of paint. I'm not quite sure as yet, but it's doing a really good job of refreshing the tile and the grout. Okay, friends, so this is what the area is looking like so far, which, oh my goodness, I am very much impressed with the result. So down here, very, very soiled, and here, looking so much better. So now I do have this entire area over here that I need to finish, and then, oh my gosh, I am just so happy. Okay, friends, so this is what this area is looking like so far. And can I just say, I am very much impressed with the result. As you can see here, oh my goodness, look how soiled the grout and the tile is. And then we come up here. This is just the first coat of paint. So this is what it's looking like. So much better and so much more refreshing and clean. So now I do have this area here that needs to be done. And then we're going to let it dry for about 24 hours. Actually, because it's in the evening now, so I'm just going to let it dry for today. And then tomorrow I might come in with a second coat of paint. And then after that, I have to go ahead and seal it. But I am very, very impressed with this result.
Your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Would you love me better if I go? I'm
It's
not.
actually been a couple of days later. I know it's been a little bit busy around here. But in today's video, I do want to go in and finish up that bathroom, actually the floor, because I do have a few more little knickknacks that I do want to finish up in that bathroom. But for today and for this video, we're focusing on refreshing the tile floors. So today I do want to go in and apply step number 2, which is so important because step number 1, oh my goodness, I've learned from previous experience, which is not to walk, touch, or look at that floor until you've applied step number 2. Because the first coat of paint, it is beyond sticky prior to applying step number 2. So this step is very, very important. So that's what we're gonna do today. So first things first, I'm gonna take you upstairs to show you what the floors are looking like. Spoiler alert, they are looking absolutely beautiful, and I am very much in love with the result so far. So anyways, let's go upstairs and I'll show you. Okay, friends, so we are back upstairs, and oh my gosh, let me just show you what the floors are looking like because they are looking absolutely beautiful. And voila, friends, this is what the floor is looking like. Oh my goodness. The tile looks absolutely brand new. The paint did such an amazing job. It practically looked brand new as the day I had these tiles installed. Oh my gosh, this paint is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at the result. It's so amazing. Just in case you want to know, this is what the parameters are looking like, which once the second coat is all dry, I think I'm going to wait 2 days later. I'm going to go in with some white caulking to finish up the edges here. So I'm going to use a painter's tape. I'm going to lay it down and then go in with the white caulking. I think that that's what it's called. What can I say? I'm just a girl trying to do a little DIY here, but I did it the last time and it looked absolutely beautiful. It actually made the tiles look even more brand new, if that's possible. I mean, do you see how beautiful they're looking? I absolutely love them. But anyways, let's continue now with step number 2. So these are my little tools that I will be using: the brush to do the corners and this roller to roll on the tiles. And also another lovely view of the toilet. Oh my goodness. I honestly tried so many different angles, but this is the best I can do. So let's just roll with it. Just a quick little pause for an update. This is what the floors are looking like, which I am absolutely loving. I know I've said that 1,000 times, but oh my gosh, I'm just loving the look. It does have a slight sheen to it, but the floor is still wet. So it definitely will settle once it's all said and done. But oh my goodness, this is what it's looking like, and I am just so happy with this look. So anyways, let's continue with finishing up this floor.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck.
Friends, I've literally poured the right amount of product from the can. I still have almost a full can left, which is really, really amazing. So this will serve me for quite some time. Okay, friends, so it is actually the next day in the evening, and I am just so happy with the result of this tile. The paint did such an amazing job. Oh my gosh, it actually looks like brand new floors. I'm not going to be doing any heavy walking on this floor for today. I do have my socks on, even though I am within that time frame where I can walk on the tiles. But I'm just going to be on the side of caution and wait for another day. But I am just so happy. I mean, look at the grout. This is just an extreme close up. But I am just so happy with this result. Oh, that paint did such an amazing job. Again, if you have some tile floors in your home and you're looking to do a minor refresh without doing any heavy renovation, I would highly recommend using this paint. It did such an amazing job, and I am just so happy with this result.
Can we trust the stars about to let us know